So we are entering a new month with new doubts, new expectations, new queries, new worries about things in our career. So today I am bringing in a career guidance for you so that you have some clarity of what's coming ahead for you in this month. So this reading is a pick a pile reading. I will have two piles, pile A, which is also going to be pile 1, pile B, which is also going to be pile 2. So you will have two piles to choose from. Take what resonates, leave the rest, and please, while you choose the pile, pause a second, meditate for a minute, and then pick your pile. All right. So pile one, let's see what's coming ahead in your career for this month. I feel like you guys are heading to certain kind of like a breaking point. Maybe a lot of you guys are nearing to getting a promotion or a hike or a bonus, something like that, in the coming month around October, November. And a lot of you guys are maybe going to know where your career is going to ahead after this month of September. Okay. And if you guys are wearing green, if you guys are wearing dark brown, if you guys have like navy blue around, this pile reading is for you. Okay. Now let's see what's coming ahead. Hmm. As I said, I see some breakthrough coming for you, and I see you guys being at a breaking point. But despite of what I said, one more thing I can see right now here is that because of the breaking point is not looking near to you. Like right now, whenever you guys might be seeing this, watching this, you guys might be in that zone where you're wondering that when will things happen, or will I get this promotion that is going to come ahead. So you guys have that constant stress in your head right now, and because of carrying that stress, I see that you guys are not being able to give your 100% in your career at this point. Okay, you guys are certainly like refraining, or thinking about, should I switch, should I still stay in this company, and should things, will things really work out for me in this company, at this place. You guys are constantly in that worry right now, is what I can see, pile 1. But the guidance here for you is that the universe is wanting you to be, a little patient with your approach, and universe is also wanting you to be a kind of, truthful towards your work and towards what you're putting. As I already had mentioned, the card here came to verify that this is 10 of cups, which has the number 10 written here. So this clearly shows that if you guys show this patience, like, right, so if you see these two cards, like, show some sort of a patience. If you guys stay patient for the next, this timeline, you will get something good. The outcome is going to be good by October, as I already had mentioned. So the universe is like, you really need to start putting all the efforts you can, and you really need to start being truthful in regards to your career, and keep the worry and tension aside, because things are going to be in your favor. There is victory in the end. I am not saying it for the sake of it. I definitely do see victory in the end. So please put in your work, put in your effort, so that you can reap the fruits right now. You can reap the soil right now to eat the fruits later. And do not worry. I see a lot of you guys are taking a lot of tension and feeling a lot of insecurity in regards to money, in regards to income flow. So don't, stress over it. Don't carry all that stress in your head in regards to the income, because things will balance out, things will work out for you, and things will feel in alignment after some time. Like 15 days from when you're seeing this reading, you will start seeing alignment. Like, really, mark my words. Come and write it down after 15 days in the comments. I'm saying this to you that you will feel alignment in just 15 days from now. Just start being truthful, and you will see the results. I promise you that you will see the results. Okay. and do not let your emotions overpower this whole situation. To deal with this situation, try to deal with it in a more practical manner. Okay, like थोड़ा सा प्रैक्टिकल होने का जरूरत है आप लोगों को, ताकि इमोशनल कंटेनमेंट जो है ना, वो आपको जब ये अलाइनमेंट होना शुरू होगा, जब ये आउटकम दिखना शुरू होगा, आपका इमोशनल कंटेनमेंट ऑलरेडी हो जाएगा। ठीक है, तो फॉर नाउ बस ऑनेस्ट रहो, ट्रूथफुल रहो, अपना 100% दो, and do not worry and stress about the emotions. I am repeating things again and again in this reading because I really want you to understand what I am trying to convey to you. Okay, we will put a few more guidance cards for you in regards to the whole situation, and in regards to see what's the guidance for you, what's coming for you in this month of September, pile 1. Okay, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, I love the cards that has come out. The first card that has come out for you is focus on the positive. As I mentioned, that stop dwelling into that worry and stress, and please focus on the positive. Focus on putting your effort so that you see the outcome in 2 months from now. In 2 months from now, pile 1. Please understand what I'm trying to say. Okay, the next card for you is never judge another. So I am sure that in regards to whatever you're going through, and whatever I'm able to see through your cards, I can see that you are in that state where you're constantly doubting and judging yourself and others as well, कि वो तो कुछ काम करता नहीं है, फिर भी उसके आज सब बढ़िया हो रहा है, प्रमोशन हो रहा है, वो नो प्रोग्रेस कर रहा है, what about me, why is it not happening for me? So you are in that state, and I get it, I understand. When things feel a little blurry, we tend to put our minds into such thoughts, but it's not that difficult to rewire and train your mind again to not think about such thoughts and come out of it. Okay, and rather focus on the positive. And the last guidance will blow your mind, because the last guidance is follow the golden rule. So the golden rule in this deck, that means that what you do is what you get back. The golden rule is to focus on your karma and to understand what karma means. So please understand, and please understand how everything is so interlinked, in even in the cards, and your situation is a very temporary situation, and this temporary situation will come into resolution, pile 1. And I really wish everything for you. I really wish a lot of patience, and a little bit of humility is what you really need. You need to like calm down, you need to humble yourself, you need that humility in yourself right now to be able to progress in this situation. Because if you keep thinking about things emotionally, you're dead. Nothing's gonna work out, nothing's gonna plan out the way the universe is asking you to, have patience and pan out. Please understand that. Okay, pile 1. So that was the reading for you. If you felt resonated with the reading, please drop a comment below. And also, if you want any sort of a personal consultation with me, please feel free to reach out to me through Instagram or through WhatsApp. I will be happy to serve you. That was it, pile 1. I wish the best. Hi, pile 2. Let's see what the universe is wanting you to know for your career right now. And for this month of September, I feel like September is going to be a very slow month for you, but as well, it's going to be like rewarding in ways which you never thought it would be, especially emotional level pe. I won't say that it's going to be really rewarding to you in terms of, you know there's something coming like a lucky, you know what is that called, I don't see you getting a jackpot. Okay, but I do see a lot of contentment coming for you. Now let's see what the cards tell about your career in September. What's coming in your career in September? Let's see that. See, I mentioned contentment. I mentioned contentment, and I can already see in the cards. Part 2. So what I can see is that in this month, right, you have to focus on collaboration. You have to focus on taking help from others. You have to focus on, not shying away from collaborating from people and working with them instead of taking the charge of the whole situation by yourself solely and focusing on things. The universe right now is wanting you to know that if you focus on like taking help, right, you will be able to do three times more than what you will be able to do by yourself. Okay, and this will bring in a lot of ease for you. This will bring in a lot of contentment for you, and things will feel quite less burdensome. uh, Burdensome, yeah. Also, I can see that you guys are people who feel um it's a little bit of a hard time for you to trust people in your work life and work with them, but that is exactly the guidance universe is putting for you in this reading as well. That try to let go of that guard you've built and try to trust people, because this will be rewarding for you. This will really be rewarding for you. The moment I said rewarding, this card came up. So this is like a very fulfillment sort of a card. So things will be good for you, pile too. Wow! Oh wow! I said rewarding, and the universe delivered that. So, guys, just one change if you start making, right? You don't know how far things will go for you. You don't know how great things will pan out for you, like in terms of whatever you're wanting to do in your job, in your personal life, in terms of if you guys are content creators. And I just got a call. Okay, so I really feel like in this time of fulfillment, you will receive some sudden offer, a sudden call for some project, for some sort of collaboration, which will again be very rewarding for you very long term. Okay, so be like be very active this month, pal, too. Be always on the foot, you know be what do I say? Be disciplined towards your work. Be disciplined towards the effort you want to put in this month specifically. Do not be lazy. And in whatever way, in whatever effort you can put, please take that time out. Please plan things out for yourself and put that effort. I'll check last few messages for you, Paltu. Oh my god, I love how cards are blowing my mind. So, if you focus on consistency, if you focus on being disciplined, if you focus on your priorities, see, this girl is holding these pentacles, which means that she's holding on to things which are important to her, right? So, if you focus on all of those things, a lot of things will come in for you, pile 2. I see opportunities, I see money, I see collaboration, I see long term commitments in terms of some offer, in terms of something work wise. And I see great, great, great things coming for you, pile 2. I love how the cards are, you know, coming today. And the last guidance for you is that please do not get carried away with friendships. Do not get carried away from your priorities, because I see that there will be people who would want to tell you कि अरे चलना बाद में हो जाएगा, अरे बाद में करते हैं. People would want to not focus on you. So this month specifically, you do not have to fall in that trap, because you will regret. You will really, really regret that. Please mark my words. And I really, really don't want you to regret. And that is why just focus on what's more important for you. पार्टी शार्टी बाद में हो सकती है, दोस्ती यारी भी बाद में हो सकती है, बट करियर में अपॉर्चुनिटीज जो है, एक बार टाइम चला जाता है, वापस जल्दी से नहीं आता है. ठीक है, ये हम सब जानते हैं. और जब अगर यूनिवर्स हमें एक गाइडेंस दे रहा है, हमें वो राइट चीजों के लिए अलाइन कर रहा है, इट्स बेटर दैट वी लिसन टू इट. Because when things will not happen when we want them to happen, the universe will make us suffer, because the universe is smart to tell you that when I was with you, when I was wanting to reward you, where were you? Why didn't you put efforts? So rather put that effort, pile 2, and rather work on things and take the good things which the universe is wanting to serve you on the table. Okay, let's see last few guidance from the universe for you, and we'll wrap up the reading then. Wow, 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 wow. So I've pulled out four cards, okay? So the first card that has come up for you is express your feelings. So this means that this month specifically in your career, you need to be more expressive. You need to ask for help. You need to communicate. You need to take that help if you need that help. That is the main message coming for you, pile 2, that do not refrain from expressing things. If you are again into content creation, if you are facing something, just be open, have an open heart, be expressive about things and put it out there, put your feelings out there, put your content out there without thinking that if you are perfect at it or not. Okay, do not worry, nobody is going to judge you, nobody is going to come and kill you. Take that help. Okay, the second card for you is choose love over fear. Again, do not fear, taking that help. Do not fear putting that one step forward. Nobody is going to harm you. I'm just repeating that again, that nobody is going to harm you. So do it out of love, do it with love, approach people with love, and you will get that into reciprocation as well. People will reciprocate to you kindly as well. Okay, pile 2. And the third guidance for you is let go of ego. Again, to be able to take that help, we have to let go of that ego, right? That it's okay to collaborate, it's okay to take help, it's okay to ask someone to help me out. So there is some certain sort of a guard that you have to put down so that you are able to actually collaborate in a way the universe is asking you to collaborate, right? And the last card for you is live your bliss. So you need to live this month very blissfully, very happily, very disciplinedly. I know this is not even a word, but yeah. And things will be good for you, pile 2. Things will be really, really good for you. And I hope the best for you, pile 2. Please take this reading a little bit seriously, and please, please, please put that effort that I believe the universe is asking you to put. Okay. I hope that you resonated with the cards today, and leave a comment below so that I also know about what you felt after this reading. And also, if you wish to take any sort of a personal consultation, please, please feel free to reach out to me on WhatsApp or on my Instagram. I will see you again, pile 2.